Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this digital air fryer XL with large capacity 5.2 liters from Silvercrest. Can be used to grill, bake and fry. In the past I have made video for other digital air fryer, but this one it is the XL model, the larger. With 10 preset programs, hot air technology, it is healthy, delicious and fast. The combination of rapidly circulating hot air and a grilling element ensures brilliant results. This type of cooking saves time and power, and it is particularly low fat. With 60 minutes adjustable timer, adjustable temperature from 60 to 200 degrees Celsius, touch button control with a power consumption 2150 watts. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Let's eat healthy. Wow, it is huge. The power cord. Here you can have the cable at the back when you are not using the air fryer. Ventilation. At the bottom, of course, we have a silicone rubber. It will stay very secure at any surface. Ventilation, and here black glossy color. Instructions, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. Just pull to open, and inside we have the large container. There it is, iLag, non-stick Swiss technology, Core Flon Ultra. We have this cover, slide, button, press and release. And there is the container. You can wash it, of course. Very easy to install. Press and lock, press the button, release. Nice. Now let's plug it in. Wow, I like the display. Press this plastic, remove the container. We have sound when the container is removed. Maximum. Here we can see. Again, press the button, remove the basket. So easy. And we can see the heating element inside. There it is. Okay. And insert the container. It stays very secure at the countertop. Pressing the on-off button, you can wake up the device. Again, I like the large display. Here you can adjust the minutes from 1 minute to 60 minutes. It is the cooking time. Perfect. You can adjust the temperature. From 60 degrees Celsius, maximum 200 degrees Celsius. From this button you can choose the menu, fish, and we can see the time and the cooking temperature, cake, vegetables, bacon, chicken drumstick, French fries, chicken, steak, shrimps, and bread. The icon backlight, it turns on. I like it. And with a push of a button you can start the process for the bread. If you want, you can adjust the cooking time. If the default it is not suitable for you. And the degrees Celsius. You can pause, and if you want you can activate the keep warm function. By default it is 80 degrees Celsius. You can adjust and the minutes, and after finishing cooking the bread for 27 minutes it will keep warm your bread. And with this button, press and hold for 3 seconds, you can cancel the cooking process. And with this button you can activate the delay timing. Choose one of this food. Delay timing, let's say in 1 minute. You can adjust that from 1 minute to 60 minutes. And press the start button. For the shrimps, we can see here the icon, it is on, and it will start the cooking process after 1 minute. Let's find out. There it is. I like it. And again, pause, resume, and cancel. Or if you want, you can use the alarm. To use the alarm, if you want to shake, flip, turn the food, pause the whole process, press the alarm button, adjust. Again, it is from 1 minute to 60 minutes. I will set on 1 minute and resume. So after 1 minute it will sound the alarm. There it is. The alarm is sounding. Remove the container, shake, turn the food. When removing the container, the whole cooking process stops automatically. And resume when the container it is at the correct position. And of course, after cancelling, you can choose manual, the cooking time, and the temperature you want to have the food when it's cooked. You don't need to select from the menu left and right. Now let's move on and cook something. That is the most important. Find out if the food it tastes amazing. Now starting with the French fries. 500 grams. There it is, 20 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Start, pause and set an alarm. So after 5 minutes I will check the French fries, shake it, flip, turn the French fries. Alarm, shake it. Resume. Again we have alarm. Last alarm. Okay. Nice color. Another 5 minutes. Starting the countdown at the final minute. I like that. The fan functioning display is flashing with the on-off button. This is the end. Okay, nice gold potatoes. I like it. Beautiful. Yum, yummy. Of course, salt. Enjoy. Next, I would like to add these carrots. On again, and choose the programs for the vegetables. Where are you? Here it is. 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And finish. Okay. I think they need a little bit more. Another 4 to 5 minutes. But I like it. Are tasting very well. And now I would like to test these green beans. Vegetables again. And choose the program vegetables. Now let's check. That was frozen green beans. I have defrosted the green beans and then start the cooking process. Okay, this is the end. Again, I think another 5 minutes. Yep. Next I have this chicken fillet. So let's add olive oil. A little bit. Salt. And ready to cook. Now let's do that manual. 200 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes, and I will check every 7 minutes. Okay, nice! I like it! Sound an alarm. Let's check, maybe the chicken it is ready. Okay. What do you think, my viewer? A little bit more? Yeah, why not? I would like to decrease the temperature, and the program will keep cooking at this temperature, 190 degrees Celsius. 185. I think the chicken in a few minutes it will be ready. And if you think your food is ready, no need to wait anymore for the program to end. Just press and hold as I show you. And remove. Wow. Nice. Mmm. Juicy. Oh. Well done. I like it. And I think needs some cleaning under the water. Nicely done. Now, next, I have squid rings in butter frozen, pollock fillet, Edam and herbs frozen. There it is. And of course I have fish sticks. Nice and tight. Now manual again, 180 degrees Celsius, 85, okay, and for 15 minutes set an alarm every 7 minutes. Start. Okay, let's check. Okay, nice going. Finish. Nice, I like it. Delicious food. I like the color. Cook it very well. Thumbs up. This is with cheese. Nice. Prepare any meal healthy and fast. You can do so many adjustments. Choose the right program for your ingredients or manually add your program. With a cost only 90 euros you can enjoy any meal you desire. I'm very happy with the cooking process and the results. All the ingredients were cooked very well. I think that is my new cooking appliance. Why not? Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.